initiative of indulging us kiddos into the activity-based learning task. At the same time, they are making sure that small celebrations like Mother's Day, International Family Day are not getting missed and boosting the morale of the kiddos and their families as well. At the same time, even a PTM got held on the video calling, which was a great initiative and heads up for the teachers of GD Goenka for that. It gave opportunity to the parents like us to meet the class teachers and interact with them. A special thanks to Priyanka ma'am, who usually calls up even to make sure that our kiddos are enjoying doing the task. So thank you so much. Keep up the good spirit, teachers. Thank you.
Hey all, I would like to thank all the GD Goenka teachers who are putting great efforts by regularly sending activities, videos and assignment sheets for the kids. It's really helping us to keep our kids busy and diverting their energy into right direction. Looking forward for more activity, assignments and exciting videos.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself Nikhil Gupta. I am the daughter of Nabika Gupta. So first of all, very thanks to all the GD Goenka's teacher. जो इस क्रूशल समय पर उन्होंने हमारे बच्चों को इतनी अच्छी एक्टिविटीज सिखाई हैं, जिससे वो हम लोग काफ़ी खुश हैं। और जैसा कि आपने देखा कि GD गोएनका ने हमारे बच्चे को बेस्ट ड्रामेबाज अवार्ड भी दिया। सो इसकी वजह से हमारे फैमिली में सब लोग बहुत खुश हैं। और उसके अलावा हमारे बच्चों को काफ़ी सारी एक्टिविटीज, शेप्स, ऑल द शेप, सर्कल, स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल एंड ऑल द कलर्स, पेंटिंग, फैमिली फोटोग्राफ्स, फैमिली टुगेदर। सो बहुत चीज़ें हमने सीखी हैं और बहुत चीज़ें हम स्कूल वालों ने हमें सिखाई हैं। सो मैं अगेन GD गोएनका का धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा, स्पेशली प्रियंका मैम का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
Good morning everyone, my name is Piyush. My son Ayans is a part of GD Goenka school. He is a nursery student and I am very happy to share about my child development. We do receive all the assignments, drama, activities by the class teacher on the daily basis, and this is really helping to our child so that they are learning all such things at home without even thinking that they are not going to school. So there is a lot of hard work which teachers are doing on back. So all the very best. Thank you so much. You guys are really doing hard work in this pandemic COVID-19. So thank you so much. All the very best.
Hello everyone. I am Manas' dad. My name is Vijay Jha. I would like to thank Priyanka ma'am and the management of GD Goenka school. They are doing very good job. They are trying their best to make my kids learn with this new technology, e-learning. It is very hard in this hard time to make a kid learn, but they are putting a lot of effort so that kids can learn being at their home. Thank you ma'am. Thank you GD Goenka school.
Hello everyone. My son Akshat Khatri is a student of class nursery in GD Goenka International School, and today I would like to thank his teachers, specifically the class teacher Ms. Priyanka, for being so proactive in all the activities concerned with nursery class. She has been a great teacher and I had a good experience so far in terms of the regular communication that I have with her, as well as the activities being shared on a regular basis. Coming to this, I must appreciate all the other teachers as well, which includes the drama sir, the music teacher, the dance teacher, for sharing the engaging videos as well as creating activities in which the child can participate, which keeps the kids' interest live in doing things, specifically the younger ones. And this time the school also conducted the parents teacher meeting through online mode, which is highly appreciable. Considering parents' feedback on a regular basis, working on it, accepting it positively is something that's highly appreciable, and I'm extremely happy with the way the things are being taken care of in the junior classes. Thanks a lot.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Anshika's father and I would really like to thank you for the initiative, this first PTM during this extremely hard time, during this lockdown. as a parent, yes, we also recognize the hard effort, the hard work that you are doing while interacting with every parent and resolving their issues with regarding their child. In yesterday's PTM, we interacted on the basic issues which our child are facing during this lockdown, and we got some really good suggestions that how we can cope up with that. Few suggestions we also gave, but majorly we got the solution of our queries. It was a fruitful session for us, obviously, and thank you once again for doing that. My child also interacted with you for the first time, and she was really happy. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Charu. Hope everyone is doing well at home with their families. Today, I would like to thank all the teachers of GD Goenka KP5 for putting their efforts so that the kids can be engaged at home in a creative manner during the current circumstances of COVID-19. Be it your online assignments, your dancing videos, art and craft activities, yoga, exercise, music, drama. Each and every teacher is putting their 100% so that the kids can be engaged at home. And due to you all teachers, my daughter is learning something or the other new on daily basis. And to be very honest, I am also learning something new due to you all. Just kidding. And I especially wanted to thank all the teachers, especially Priyanka ma'am, for your efforts, your kind gesture, your support, as you are just in call or WhatsApp away. And I think we interact almost on daily basis for some or the other things. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.